Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to hide your API keys on GitHub. As you can see, I got a GitHub repo here and I want to create some secret API keys for it. For that, I need to go to settings. Well, let's scroll a bit. And here you can see I'm getting secrets and variables. Let's click on it. Then click on actions. Now create your secret API key. You need to click on new repository secret. Give it a name. I'll make it my API key. Let's make it 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when I will click on add secret, this secret will be encrypted. Let's click on it. Scroll a bit. And here you can see I can only see the name but not the secret. Now the question is how you can read it. You can only read it when you are deploying your application using GitHub Actions workflow. Now as you know, in a workflow file, you can have multiple steps. And if you want to read your secret key during a certain step, you can read it like this: $, double curly braces, secrets.myAPI key. Now if you want to set it as environment variable for a Node.js project, you can set it like this. But you must do it after building your project using your GitHub Actions workflow script. So I hope you understood how to create and hide your API keys on GitHub. See you next video. Have a nice day.